Hey everyone, Ray here at ThinksWorks. Today's video, 97 Dodge Ram, the passenger side turn signal is not working. Probably just a bulb. We're going to find out. So this is a second generation Ram, which I think is a 94 through 02, so this should apply to any of those years. So if you're having an indicator problem on yours, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix it. And we'll get started right now. Alright guys, this is pretty easy. All we got to do is remove this Phillips screw right here. Now this just should slide over and off. Okay, see this tab right here? That just slides into this slot right here. So when you put it back in, you just line that up and slide it in that way a little bit. Now let's change the bulb. Alright, so to get the bulb out, we're just going to turn this assembly here, quarter turn, counterclockwise. And now we can pull the bulb straight out. And this is a 3157 NA. Let me go see if I've got one before we run to the store. I'll be right back. Hey look, I happen to have some. Saved me a trip to the store. I already pulled one out. So first off, use a glove because your oily fingerprints, you don't want it on the bulb. It can burn it over time. The bulb can go in either direction. Now if you go to the store, they might ask you, do you want some dielectric grease? And that's not a bad thing to do. Get some, you come in a little paper tube for under $1, I think, and you just spread some on here like this. That'll help with corrosion. This is a Colorado truck. We get almost no humidity, and corrosion is not really an issue. So the bulb will go in either direction, and just snap it back into its socket. And then, same as before, we're going to line up our socket. And then a quarter turn, and it locks it in place. Now we'll line up our tab and put our screw in. So I'm going to test it since we're done here, and you'll watch that. But I want to thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. And if it did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want. I got a lot of stuff going on this channel. Not only these silly little car repairs, but some other stuff as well. So I'm going to try this out. Let me know if it works. Just holler into your phone or your computer, whatever, really loud so I can hear it, because I won't be able to see. So parking light's going to go on right now. That should lit that up. Should have lit that up and off. Now let's check our indicator. And it's flashing on the inside, so I'm assuming it's flashing on the outside. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.